Schwab angin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jela.
Mynta ke janmiet jong ka arpulai tarik kyllalyngkot araja arpulai u MLA barim jong ka NCP na Gamebegre constituency u Saleng Sangma u balalit Pyniasoh Biang syaka Seng Congress Ryngkat lang ba Nongkyrshan Jong u. Bakran ha jingialang u Saleng uloong ba u kyrmen ba ka Seng Congress kan ayu u rynsan kaba kham banya nujor ba ka Seng NCP bat u kyrmen ban wanrah ka jingkylla. Saleng uloong ru ba Lada ka Congress kayo tang san lani henrio ki MLA ru kala biang palat iatreilang kaway ka kynhun. Pynkynmaw ba Saleng iakhun election but job na kaseng Congress house nem arhajar pra. Ukortong shimet house nem arhajar khatlay but house nem arhajar khat pra iakhun but job na kaseng NCP.
Come first. Take us group, right? So.
It's been a great pleasure working with you before, and now also good to see you back again. I'm having a bit swinging mood today. One is I'm very sad, and on the other hand, I'm very happy also. Let me tell you why I'm sad is that with NCP, I have been there for many years. They have given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. But in the meantime, I'm so happy again that I'm having a privilege to work with one of the most humblest humblest president, Vincent Pala, who is none other than the MP of Meghalaya. I'm happy, sir, to work with you, and I'm happy and glad AICC in charge Matthew Anthony is there, who is also a Christian. And then NCP, we are all marching together towards this NCP tribal. Yeah, he's from Shillong only. And then I've got two, three more actually. All of them who could not come, make it out today. One is in the hospital, and then one is outside the country. We were supposed to march together, but out of time lapses that we could not be here today, couldn't be here today. But I'm glad and happy that we will be working together to see the things that definitely will be better for the future. Why I have joined is that at least this is the right, and then this is my old party, and I'm really happy and excited to be back again to the same fold. With these few words, I would like to congratulate even me, myself, and then Richard also, and then all the others that definitely we will work for the people. With these few words, God bless you all. Thank you.
Snem arjarle. Kyrmen skema wa the party congress hakani arjarle yo senchar. But ngai skema jingjok upaiba yung Meghalaya hi uya jingjok yo party congress kenam yo usenchar ko yemiat iba. Yo wanrah ke roy kepar. Mem kian yo mani ke bersamaan. Dan ni yo kani ke sarkar kita ki high level kani to punjat ya keimnam salam tengah ini pur mem ko kelam snem sa kemen seseni kuble lang ibro yo lutiwa yo kre sitom yo jog party congress ko Meghalaya yang i lemban ni kesni kermen wa jingjok yang yo ka pinang yo sinchar ya kri Meghalaya hi
My dear friend, Honorable MP, one of the most humble. I would like to start with one single testimonial that yesterday night we were coming out of Sir Pala's house at around 11:30. We were driving out, and I see a lot of MPs in my life. And this man was coming out and then moving into the security guard's room. And I thought, what is he going to do? And he came out with a lock for the gate, and he himself was locking the door, whereas many other MPs consider this as a main job. It is not their job. That is the sense of humility in that man. And I see that across Meghalaya in my few days here. I see this wherever I go, the kind of respect and love he holds is much more than the posters and the banners, which we see of other parties. Now coming to Saleng and Richard and all others joining, what you should understand is, I will quote Martin Luther King because he said NCP is marching and you studied in a Martin Luther King school. What he said was, if you can't fly, you run. If you can't run, you walk. If you can't walk, you crawl. Congress party had a tough time, but the people of Meghalaya is realizing that it is the Congress party which has given all to Meghalaya. Whatever shortcomings we had in our party, in our system, in our people, but we are the one who consistently protected or consistently respected the pride of people of Meghalaya. The culture, the ethnicity and everything of their own original protection, preservation part of it. 74% of Meghalaya is of people consisting 35 years. The average age of the electorate, 74% is of 35 years. And you see youngsters, who they're getting the pulse of the people. They're getting the pulse of the people in the ground that it is only Congress who can preserve it. The MDA government has surrendered the pride and the self-respect and the people of Meghalaya's interest for the fear and atrocities put on them by the BJP from the center. That's the message we are getting. We are seeing a lot of people who are supporters of them coming in. They are not coming in out of the blue. They are not making a blind decision. They are talking to their people and coming in. And see, look at the youngsters here. That's exactly what we are seeing. So we need all your support. We need the media support. We need the message to go to the people of Meghalaya in the shortest possible time. That we have a humble leader who is leading us.